Good morning in the morning. Finally, I have my front camera. Yay! Now you can see my face. So, it's so like I reach in the ground with tiptoes, so that makes everything more difficult to move the bike when I'm up. And the weight, of course. So, time to leave Surat Thani. But first I have to give the key. Savadika! Good morning! Here is the key. Thank you! Bye! So, yeah, what am I gonna do today? I'm gonna start to go down to Malaysia. But first I'm gonna see Ilario. Ilario? You know Ilario? So Ilario is the guy who is traveling around the world in the Vespa from Italy. 140 countries he did already and more than 330,000 kilometers. Crazy, right? In a Vespa. You know how many kilometers is that? Yes, it's a lot in a Vespa. Bye. So it is still early, but not that early that I could have left the hotel. Now it's 7:40. It's okay, but I wake up at 5 a.m. Why? Because yesterday I went in the hospital. Next exams. So just finished. It took a bit long since 7 and now it's 12, 5 hours here because I had to wait the results. So I parked the bike down there here and there is a kind of book car that brings you to the parking. Yeah, it was pretty fast, everything was okay. All the checks was okay, so here's the bike. I'm ready to continue. As I told you, that is not far from here, it's just behind those buildings. And I went in the hospital in the morning, but then when I arrived, I start to feel bad, like migraine. And the whole day with headache, like strong headache. I get at some point that I was almost vomit. It was so painful. Anyway, so I just stayed the whole day in the room. I didn't went out even for food. I just ordered with the Grab and it was okay. But now I'm much better and 5 a.m. I wake up and I'm okay. So yes, Ilario is not far from here. He sent me a message yesterday. He was in Copenhagen, the island I were before, and he's around here. So probably we're gonna have breakfast together. I don't know what he's gonna do. He told me he's gonna go direction to Malaysia too because he have to make a visa run. Like, what is that? Like you have to go out and then you come back at the same day just to get more time of visa. I get distracted very easily. Have to be careful with that because always when I put the gloves here it gets stuck and open. So it was empty. Stop here to put petrol and probably I'm gonna stop there in 7-Eleven to buy something because I'm hungry and then I have breakfast with Ilario. Also I'm gonna send him my location so he knows where I am. Ui! No problem. Thank you. So here is the two. The first one. If I could found roads just like this, it would be amazing. I could just like do the whole trip in roads like this. Small ones. The surround is very green. You know that kind of green that looks like if someone's put a filter? It's so green. I still have a bit of headache. I already took another pill because today I'm driving, so I don't want to have a headache because I know what is that. It is horrible. The temperature for now it's great, 28 degrees. It's still early, 9 a.m. I'm not far from Ilario, but the route I take, it's a bit more long than the other one directly. I think worth it because it's so beautiful here around, and I'm not gonna come back here, so it's better do it now because after it's not gonna be possible. Look at that house at the right side, how cool. Wow, it's a cool house, huh? They around, not bad at all. Ooh. I think it's a good idea have your house in a sticks. Why? Because you know how many animals there is around, so it's better be high just in case. My tires is almost gone. The top case is loose, so for the health of my bike, I shouldn't take off-road path. I think it's a kind of park this because I just saw a plate saying be aware, wild elephants. I didn't saw anything say natural park or park whatever. Ooh la la. Oh, that's cool. Ah, pure air. Ah, you can smell the green. Thanks for that. Wow. Take the drone. Roads are destroyed. I cannot continue. As I said in the beginning, let's see how is the road. And end up like the road was finished and was gone by the river. So what I'm doing now, first I'm going back because there is another way to connect in the other side. I will go through that one. I just have to get connection to put it, and then I'm done. Yeah, flat tire. Maybe this guy know where is the mechanic. No, lady, you cannot stop. Mierda. Mechanic. Mierda. Mechanic. Mierda puta. Problem. Mechanic. Very hot.
Oh.
Huh?
Ma. Đi con nạp đá đấy nè. Bót cái cả.
Meters? 2 kilometer? 1 kilometer?
Speak.
Okay. Follow you? Ay, Dios mío. Mierda puta. Ay, mi puta air. Oh, destalonada ya. Toma por saco ya. No, no, no. Nossa senhora. Hostia. Ui, 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 ui. Hostia puta. Ui, merda. Ostra puta. Ui. Vai de cá. Hostia. Oh my god, I will try to put the bike in the shade at least a bit. Mierda. Este tire está... Very slowly. Thank you. Very hot. So the tires are red out. I didn't find any hole, so I'm worried about maybe is that. Hopefully it's not, but let's see. Anyway, I bought that last time tube, so let's try change the tube. Let's try to put air first and see if there any hole. Thanks that I have all the tools to take it out. This is the second time that I have to do. Thank you. Ooh, big. Here. Here in this. Uh-huh. The hardest part is the last one. 2 hours later, we finished. Thank you. Was very fast.
I will follow you.
Thank you. Can you help? Yes, push. Okay. Thank you. Kapunka. Thank you, guys. 36 degrees, 38 degrees. Oh my god, it's very hot. I'm still with the coffee and nothing else. I'm so tired that my brain even doesn't work. My brain doesn't work. I just wanna eat. I'm starving. It's almost 1 p.m. and I didn't have breakfast, nothing. Since yesterday 8. I think it's not finished yet. So it seems that everything is okay. Maybe it's just me. When I stop, next stop I check the pressure to see that it's not losing. Let's have some sugar. Sawadika. Sawadika. Rice? Rice. This rice. And this?
20 baht.
20 baht. And this? Black. White. Okay. This. This and this. Okay. One more.
Where are you come from?
Spain.
Oh, Spain.
Yeah. It's okay. 100. Thank you. Thank you. This is all rice.
Sticky rice.
Look at the way they do that. I don't know the name, but they put carbon behind. They are doing a kind of barbecue with that, and they are preparing there. 29. Yes. Thank you. Bye. So he just told me that my tire is gone and is hot. Yes. Yes, I know. I just have to do 700 kilometers more. Actually it's less, it's 590 or something. I'm gonna go straight to Malaysia. I think in 3 days I'll be there. I just have to check the route I'm gonna take. Wow, the color of the water. So today was a really long day and they didn't finish yet. It's 4 p.m. now. I'm gonna stop soon, 9 kilometers to a hotel I saw. I'm pretty tired because the whole day I went first in that path that I had to turn back and come back because it was the end of the road. what else it happens? I get the puncture. It takes me a lot of time in the sun also. After the puncture, after the whole day, after get I just decide to stop somewhere, and I'm gonna sleep close to here because I'm tired. I was with Ilario now having a coffee in the coffee shop. That area is very nice. Probably I'll stay here today and tomorrow, and then I go straight to Malaysia because for entering, all tourists have to do a kind of permit online that takes 3 days to be ready. Ah, that's nice. It's not far from here, so I can reach in 2 days to the border.